Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Click Blink. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only fascinating, but also shaping the world as we know it. The future of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to transportation, entertainment to education, AI is transforming industries and enhancing our capabilities in ways we never imagined. The future of AI is incredibly promising. We're on the brink of unprecedented breakthroughs that will revolutionize how we live, work, and interact with technology. But with great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to advance, it's crucial that we address ethical concerns and ensure that these technologies benefit society as a whole. We must prioritize transparency, accountability, and inclusivity in the development and deployment of AI systems to mitigate potential risks and biases. So, what does the future hold for AI? It's a journey filled with endless possibilities and opportunities for innovation. Whether it's enhancing healthcare through personalized medicine, revolutionizing transportation with autonomous vehicles, or empowering individuals with personalized AI assistants, the potential is limitless. As we look ahead, let's embrace the future of AI with optimism, curiosity, and a commitment to shaping it for the better. Together, we can create a future where AI enriches our lives and empowers humanity. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the future of AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.